survived the drought, and the crops are growing again, and the daughter's eating again, and the mom is cleaning again, and the father's sleeping again, and the son is, well, you could just see for yourself what he was doing. The weather's been strange lately, and there's talk of a hurricane coming, but right now, there's only one thing I'm looking forward to, and that's seeing the smile on the sweet sister's face. Anyway, here we are.
Did you hear the news?
Hi, no, I've been too busy rounding up lost dogs and delivering pizzas.
They just announced that a mega hurricane is headed our way.
Oh my god, I'd better get back, quick! Is your sister home yet?
No, not yet, why?
Oh, I hope she's okay. I'll check back later.
Yeah. Guys, pizza's here! So, what are we gonna do about the hurricane?
What hurricane?
Stop that begging.
Didn't you see the news? They just announced the hurricane is headed in our direction.
Oh, it's probably nothing.
It's not nothing.
Darling, please relax. It's not like we're all going to drown. Now eat your pizza.